This pack of SUNLU ABS filament in 1 3/4 mm diameter delivers the kind of strength and heat resistance that suits functional parts and everyday use components. The material shows impressive impact resistance and toughness, so printed pieces hold their shape under pressure and do not chip easily from friction or minor knocks. Dimensional consistency is excellent thanks to the tight manufacturing tolerance, which helps reduce clogging, under-extrusion, and layer alignment issues on most fused deposition modeling printers. The recommended printing temperatures and speeds are well tuned for ABS, making it easier to dial in settings and achieve reliable adhesion with less warping when used on a heated bed. With 4 generously sized spools totaling 4,000 grams, this bundle is practical for users who run frequent prints or larger projects without constantly swapping filament. Each spool is individually sealed, and the filament is offered in multiple color options, which helps preserve material quality in storage while letting you match filament choice to different projects.